Hey everyone, what's up? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. Check it out. It's an origami raindrop, and what's cool about it is that you can drop it and it drops like rain, just like that. Or it's actually best to make tiny ones, maybe from 3-inch squares or something, and you can like maybe throw them in the air, and then once they drop, it'll drop like rain. Well, anyway, that's the main thing what this model does is that it spins. Check this out. Alright, so here's the model right here, and it spins. Oops, trying to get in the video here. Oh yeah, see? It's best to find a smooth surface. Oh yeah, just like that. Alright, wanna learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So, let's begin right side up. And let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Unfold and fold in half this way. Alright, unfold and now blend. So fold the 4 corners to the middle. Okay, now we're gonna make a kite, so we're gonna take this edge and fold it to the middle. And repeat on this side. Okay, and now we're gonna do is we're gonna shape it. And we're actually almost done, can you believe that? So we're gonna fold this up, and we're gonna make the fold right on that intersection point right there. So where this crease hits this edge. So it goes through that intersection point. And you want this point to align with this edge. Alright, and repeat right here. So fold on that point right there. Alright, and now we're gonna fold this up. This is really to taste, but maybe fold it up about like that. Alright, and now it's pretty much done. You can just keep it like this if you want, but I'm gonna round it off a little bit more since I'm gonna fold these corners in to taste. Like this. Make sure they're really sharp too. They're really flat. Maybe flatten the model as much as you can too. Like this. Alright, and now here's the raindrop. And to make it spin, just make these two folds right here, mountain folds, like this. Alright, and this one too. And I'll make them both at the same time like this. So it makes a point right there. And I'll find a smooth surface and give it a go. Oh yeah. Yeah, spins pretty good. Oh yeah. Alright, so there you have it. Well, hope you guys enjoyed folding that and enjoy spinning it. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.